let's go behind the curtain a little bit. Let me do something right now where I'm going to kind of teach everybody a little bit about what goes on inside my head when I'm doing stuff like this. I am going to need a few people to help me out. Is there anybody who really wants to come up and help me out? Otherwise, I'm just going to start picking people. Yes, we got somebody right there. Would you mind? Yes, come on, come on. Give me one more. Come on. Give them all a nice hand. Come on. And can you kind of stand in a row right here for me? You can move down a little bit. Just stand in a nice row. Perfect. Take a marker. So I just did something that's actually a little bit rude, which is I invited 4 people up onto the stage, but I have not asked any of them their names yet. Normally that's what you do. You bring somebody up, you ask their names. But there's a reason why I have not asked anybody their names yet. Take a card. Because for the next couple of minutes, I want the 4 of you to come up with a fake name for yourself. So not your real name, but a fake name. Whatever it is. Listen. It could be just a first name and last name, celebrity name. I don't care what it is. But when I turn my head, I want you to write nice and big and neat on that card what your fake name is. Do it now. So here's the deal. As I mentioned earlier on, a lot of what I do when I try to read minds is very heavily based in psychology and especially body language. So we're going to put these 4 people up here through a little test. But I'm going to explain to you what's happening up here and what's going on in my head as I'm trying to quote unquote read their minds. Everybody up there, when you're done, put the tops back on the markers. And I'm going to ask you to pass all the markers down here to her and all the cards down there to him. So you'll have 4 markers, you'll have 4 cards. Got all the markers? Okay, now I'm going to come back. You got the cards. Can you mix them up? Thank you. Oh, thank you. Mix up the cards. And I'm going to come over to here. Got them all mixed up? Yes. Great. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a look at the first name. If it's the name you wrote down, try not to laugh. You're so screwed. Okay, try to keep a nice straight face. And then I'm going to take that name and I'm going to show it to each one of you. And I'm going to say, is this yours? All of you say no. Even if it is your name, say no. That means one of them is going to be lying. So I want you to watch them. Watch their face, watch their body language. See if you can figure out who the liar is. Okay? First name is Lloyd Irving. Lloyd Irving. Okay. I'm going to show it to each one of you. All of you say no. Here we go. Is this one yours? No. Is this one yours? Is this one yours? Is this one yours? Okay. Did you guys see what I saw? It was actually pretty simple because 3 of them kind of looked around the room. They looked all over the place, but one didn't do that. One locked eyes with me and never looked away. This person was so uncomfortable that the whole time they were talking, even when I was talking to other people, they were looking right at me. They were trying really hard. That's how I know who was lying on this one. Give him a nice hand. He did a good job. You can go sit down. Thank you.
Good stuff, man.
Thank you. All right, can you hand me the next one? Okay, next one is Stella. Stella. Okay, ready? I'll show it to each one of you. All of you say no. Is this one yours? Is this one yours? Is this one yours? Okay, so that was also simple if you watched and you compared what they did the first time to the second time. The first time, this person was very comfortable and just kind of standing still. But this time, the person had so much nervous energy that she was moving like every part of her body. Like she couldn't know what to do with the energy she had inside of her. That's how we know who Stella is. Okay, give her a nice hand. Can you hand me the next one? And then can you do me a favor? Take the last one, fold it in half a couple of times, and hold it behind your back. Let me know when that's out of the way. Gone? Good. Riley. Okay, ready? This time we're going to go a little harder. I'm going to show it to each one of you. I'm going to say, is this yours? Both of you will say no, but I'm not going to look. I'm going to try to go purely by the sound of your voice. Here we go. Is this one yours? Is this one yours? So the first 2 times, very confident, a strong no, because he knew he was telling the truth. This time, he kind of coughed a little bit. He kind of had to clear his voice. He had a little phlegm in there. That's how we know who his is. You can keep that. Here you go. Watch your help. All right. So here's the deal. Everybody knows the last one belongs to you, but nobody knows what fake name you wrote down. So can you stand over here, hold it behind your back? I don't want to say anything. What is your real first name? Emma. So Emma, do me a favor. I want you to imagine that, could you imagine, Emma, if your fake name was a real person? Could you almost picture what they might look like? Great. I'm going to ask you a bunch of questions about that person. Is it okay if I put my hand on your shoulder? Imagine that person standing right here. Is that person taller than you or shorter than you? Shorter. Dark hair or light hair? Dark. Shorter than you, dark hair. Are they more serious or more funny? Funny. Shorter, dark hair, funny. Are they dressed more stylish or more casual? Casual. Take that paper, open it up, but hold it so that the writing is facing you. Got it? All right, so if you told me, Dave, somebody's coming in this room right now, a little shorter than her, dark hair, casual, kind of funny, and you told me to guess what that person's name was, I would guess Sienna. Give her a nice hand. She did a great job. You did so good. Thank you so much.